Our plant is part of a holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in Kazakhstan. At the end of the year, we modernized and began replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 10 years and know all the equipment at the plant well. I made the selection of new equipment myself, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. In addition to the basic equipment, there was a need to replace consumables, which blunt and lose their properties over time of constant use. The production manager asked to find and purchase a reactor for preparing solutions. The existing reactor was already in a technically defective condition. Manufacturing of drugs is a highly profitable branch of the pharmaceutical business, associated with the technological processing of medicinal and chemical raw materials to produce ready-made dosage forms, pills, capsules, ointments, suppositories, pills, drums, infusions, decoctions, syrups, pellets, powders, drops and mixtures. An urgent replacement of the reactor was necessary in order to meet the requirements for the drugs. I am used to doing my job with quality and working only with specialists. I took the question of choosing a reactor for preparing solutions seriously. To search for it, I did not use the internet, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were many reactors for preparing solutions at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. The choice depended on the raw materials and the required capacity. I selected 3 manufacturers of reactors for the preparation of solutions, studied their assortment, took contact information from representatives. It was necessary to make a complete list of necessary devices and buy them from one manufacturer. Having returned to the enterprise, I reviewed the proposed reactors for preparation of solutions with the head of production, and after consultation I began to contact representatives of enterprises by telephone. A company from Germany agreed to supply a reactor for the preparation of solutions, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. I had to refuse, as the reactor must be replaced in the shortest possible time. I realized that I would not be able to find and procure a reactor on my own. This somewhat dampened my confidence. However, here I was helped by the manager of the company from Novosibirsk, who advised a specialist in the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, which could help me to find all the necessary equipment. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company from Moscow. At that time I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked me some clarifying questions about the components for the mortar, the performance of the machine. I was pleased with his professional and business-like approach. After preliminary consultations, he suggested a reactor for preparing solutions. He indicated that the order would be delivered within a month. Such a short delivery time was a great way out for me. We made a contract for the delivery of the reactor, and a month later I received the desired equipment. I plan to contact the manager of this company for advice and purchase of a blister machine for pills. I am sure that he will choose me a quality equipment. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to keep us so.